Hello guys, Binsoy here, and isa ka ba sa nakaka-experience ng error message na to? Yung not found, yung dreaded 404 not found error when you're accessing your SWA Ultimate presentation page? Okay, I will show you how to fix this problem in this video, so stay tuned guys. Alright, some of us have experienced this problem at some point and medyo dumadami na yung mga nag-report, so I might as well create this video to solve this problem once and for all. Okay, so it took me a long time to realize or to discover the solution to the problem, but medyo ano siya, madali lang pala siyang gawin. I thought it was difficult. I thought it will take some coding skills para maayos siya. Pero fortunately, madali lang pala siyang gawin. Okay, so first thing that you need to do is go to your dashboard. Okay, so it will be your 3M link. This is an example. Okay, so ito yung page na kailangan nating ayusin. Okay, work with Jensen na mytambayacademy.com/swa-ultimate. Alright, so first you need to log in to your dashboard. Work with Jensen na mytambayacademy.com/wp-admin. Okay, yan yung page. And once you're here, go to settings, then select permalinks. Tapos, piliin mo yung custom structure and make sure may laman dito. It's / %sign post name %sign /. Tapos, click mo yung save changes. Okay? So, once it's saved, ayan, permalink structure updated. Check natin ulit. And, okay. So, okay na siya. Looks like it's working. Check natin yung ibang pages.
Hi and welcome.
Alright, it's loading. Okay, so it's working. Check natin yung register now page. Ayan, lumabas siya. Alright, looks like everything is good. So guys, if you have somebody in your team na nagkakaroon din ng ganitong problema, please share this video to him or to her. Alright, so if you have any questions, feel free to contact us sa group page. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video and I'll talk to you soon.